Why does your scanner show the P0101 engine code? What does it mean? P0101 is a diagnostic trouble code for mass or volume airflow circuit range performance problem. The P0101 engine code for indicate the computer ECU has detected that the readings from your vehicle's MAF sensor are illogical, erratic, or outside the expected parameters. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Dirty or faulty MAF sensor, intake air leaks, vacuum leaks, clogged or dirty air filter, faulty wiring or connectors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Nissan, Toyota, Ford, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.